I got started at Sunbelt through the apprenticeship program through UTI.
They were having like a job fair and they had Sunbelt recruiters.
One of my teachers recommended me and they told me it was a great place to start my technician career.
I heard of Sunbelt. I saw the type of equipment they have.
I come with experience with heavy equipment, and I saw Sunbelt with heavy equipment. Brought my curiosity up.
I learned a lot. I think it was an amazing program. Just being able to work with my hands and be able to go to school, and then right after I got off of school, I would go to work, through the co-op program.
The hands-on experience at work was much more of let me gather what I learned from school and then put this at work and see the similarities.
Because if I learn something at Sunbelt, when I go to school, I'll be a step ahead.
School will teach me the basics, but Sunbelt rentals actually help me understand how the machines work, how they operate, how should I diagnose the proper way.
The equipment that I got to repair and look at was skid steers, mini excavators,
Dozers, loaders, up to like small tool size and scissor lifts.
I worked on Bobcats, JLG, Genie, Vermeer, mostly anything you could think of that has to do with construction or DIY projects. So I was well-rounded into become a full-time employee.
The technician apprentice program definitely kick-started my career as a technician. Just the overall experience of having that resource, the resources that Sunbelt provides when it comes to learning, and the mentors I had. Sunbelt's definitely been kind of like a second family per se, just because of the camaraderie you build working with your fellow peers.
It's a lot of fun. You get to know them so well. I looked up to my mentors a lot. They always guided me, and I asked questions. Our co-workers did a phenomenal job molding me into the tech I am today. And hopefully one day be that one lead tech to help the next apprenticeship person that comes into play. Sunbelt does a lot for employees and also for the community.
The resources they give you, definitely they have Sunbelt offers a lot of classes.
We're creating more opportunities for our skilled trade team members to grow and develop in their careers, whether it's through programs like tuition reimbursement, tool allowance, or dedicated career development paths.
The tool allowance was really helpful, got me a small impact that I use on a daily basis.
The support of my management is amazing, very supportive. If I want to learn something, I want to take a class to sign up for it, go for it.
I was able to use the tuition reimbursement program to actually get my CDLA license.
This is a big benefit to me and all other techs.
The help is there, the support is there. We have classes, we have programs, we have schooling, we have tuition reimbursement. We have all of that to further your career through Sunbelt.